guys, this is Arjun Warrior, and today we're going to be finishing the episode that we did. This is part 2. So remember when we dug the fidget spinner? Now we're going to dig it back up and see if it works.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to you now. If you remember in the last video, I said that when we dig it back up, I'm going to see if it works, okay?
And make sure you have a look and if you see something mysterious, because this is the hole of doom, remember?
Dun dun dun! You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Does it work?
Let's see if it works.
Oh my god, it works!
Oh my god, we just got a working one.
On the last one, we had to like open it up and have to dry it out.
Yeah.
Arjun, you take the thing. Let me show them.
Yeah. So now the boss. So this is the cameraman doing it now.
My ugly face. Huh. And it works perfectly. Let's see if I can do a trick with it. Oh.
And now we're gonna swap back. Yeah, this works so well.
Okay, that's the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and tell your friends about this.
Yeah, come on, tell your friends to watch this and subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah.
Yeah, always subscribe.
See you in the next video.
You can like if you want, but not subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.